Another day in paradise. Let's have a bit of a look at what we got done yesterday. And we managed to gap all this house up. All the eaves puttied and gapped, the whole lot done. As you can see there. Now I've used the sicker. It's pretty good stuff. Puttied up all the holes. Anything that were bigger than a nail hole, I've used a 2-pack builder's bog, which I'll show you here. So I've used a builder's bog, and that'll all be sanded off. I'll give you a quick look inside. The plaster is still working. We've got some steps to be built here. This will be the laundry. Not sure. Plasterer's done the cornice. He's working on the cornice. He's not here yet, but I'll give you a quick look through. I'm hoping that I can get in here and roll the walls. Electrician's been in, cut out all his wires. If I can roll the walls before the trim goes on here, I can roll right over here and then I don't have to brush it, so it actually will save me a couple of hours and make the house look better. So it just goes through. The ceilings are 2550 high. Now normally they're 2700, so these are a little bit higher but not real high. It just makes it a bit easier. Must be for the aircon ductwork. They've cut that out. Electricians yesterday. These are the stilts for the plasterer. So he's finished all inside the cupboards. A couple of rooms. You see the cornice is finished. This is the bathroom. Now they're going to put cornice in here as well. And it'll be tiled to the ceiling. So we'll just have those ceilings there to paint. Coming through, big aircon. This will be the toilet, little alcove here, probably a sink. So these are the nice windows to tape. So when we tape these are actually really nice to tape. So I'll be taping these ones and spraying those window frames, door frames. Skirtings will be sprayed water-based enamel. He's done the cornice in here as well. So this is obviously the main bedroom. Walk-in robe with a sliding door, cavity door. It's quite a big walk-in robe really. This is the ensuite. Once again, tiles to the ceiling. We'll do a wash and wear or a low sheen on the ceiling. So there'll be 3 coats on this ceiling. There'll be a sealer and 2 coats of your low sheen washable paint. I don't know if that is a patch or what on there. But yeah, so that's it. Nice views from here. Beautiful. So now I'm out. I've got to do the eaves. It's been raining. And yeah, so that's my little day. And before it starts raining too heavy, which it has already rained, but I'm okay working in the rain today because I've got these patios to do and I've got the eaves to do all the way around. There'll be 2 coats of the all-weather low sheen on them, and we'll have to cover up all the deck. I'll put drop sheets and black plastic down just to protect it, and I'll put my paint up here as well. So I'll put everything out of the truck that I need up here so I don't have to go out into the rain. As you can see, there's some screws here. Okay, let me show you something here. What we've got a screw that's actually sticking out, so that needs to be driven down below the surface, right, so that we can 2-pack bog it like this. All these posts are going to be painted. The deck is a stain, a clear. So they've used the screws. Downpipes will be in the surf mist underneath there, which is the same as the eaves, and then the post will be in the wall colour, which is a Colorbond shale grey. So yeah, that's it. Oh, I better get stuck into it. This is the black plastic from the last job. Ah, it's good we can recycle. I like recycling. So that's going to be my paint on the walls and the paint on eaves. So all weather. This one here is Surf Mist, which is a Colorbond colour. Looking good. Hopefully I can get out of here because I've got the truck parked there. Yes, hopefully I can get out. Reverse there and come back home. Nobody else here to pull me out either.